Hello, welcome to Davis Beats tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make the beat stereo cover. Material you need is 8mm red beads, and then white color 8mm, red one 8mm, sorry, green one you need 6mm, and black one 6mm. And another accessories you need to do beadwork is lighter, as you see mine, it's big lighter, nail cutter, and non-applicator fishing line 0.70 mm. And thanks all for tuning to my channel, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, share, follow for many updates on beating tutorial. Now we are going to start it. We are going to make sure that everything is strong. First of all, we are going to cut fishing line. Remember, not cut too long because if you cut too long, it will be hard for you when you are doing beading. So make sure you cut small size that will enable you to fix it faster. Which one is good for me is about 1 meter long. For me, it's good. This stroke of nail cutter is used to cut the fishing line like this. And then now we are going to start with black in color. Put 2 black both sides, black, and use the one on one side to cross it to make it a one rectangle, one square, by crossing it. And make sure that the fishing line is equal both sides for it to be easy for you. And then second one, we are going to add one both sides, one black both sides, and close with one white one, like this. Like this one. But even you can change both cloth with black for it to look more nice. And you have to remove the white and add the black one. In general, it will be black 7 beads like this one. When you look, it looks like 4, but it's 4 and then 3. And the next thing, we are going to put one both sides, one both sides, white one in color, to separate black and red as in the black. And so if I don't know how to pronounce the name, sorry, but next we are going to add white both sides like this, and then close with red, and close with red one like this. This one red used to cross it, cross, and then make sure to tighten it to make it strong like this. The next I'm going to add white both sides, not white, I'm going to add red color both sides and cross with red one, okay, like this one. This one both sides, and then I cross with one, and then make sure to tighten it like this. And then next again we are going to add another red one, and then close with one to make it close with one like this. Now we have two steps on red. Let's go with that one. Then cross with one like this. You see it like this one. This will be clear for you. And then next thing we are going to add white color both sides and cross with black with green. Like this. Going to put white and then white and close with green. Close it with green like this, and make sure to tighten it like this. And then we are going to add one both sides and cross with one again, like this one, one, and then cross with one, like this, like this. And now we are on the way to, now we are on the last line. If you use to go back, and this is a corner, because it's a corner, we are going to put green bit on one side, like this one, and then use the last one on those three to cross it, like this. This is a corner. Like this. And now you are going to see that it's like this. Here, see the screen is like this one. Now, and we are on the corner. It's corner. You see, it's on the middle. Top is on the middle one. Now, we are going to add 3 on the outer row, like this one. This one, we are going to put 3 on this outer row. outer fishing line. Like this. And then cross with the next upper bit, last green upper bit. Like this. Then if you see it, you see one, two. Second one, here's the second one bit. This one. This is the second one. To cross it. And then the inner fishing line used to cross the last bit, the last three, one bit of the three, which you used to use on the corner side, the corner, and make sure to tighten it to make it strong. As you see. Now on the next step, you are going to add 2 green plastic bits to make green equal, and you are going to cross the fishing line with the 2 plastic bits to the white one, like this, and then pull the rope, pull the fishing line. After you are pulled, use the inner one to cross on the green one, the second last green bit, like this, and make sure to tighten it to make your steering cover tight. Next, you are going to add one white and red. White is to make the white color on the black, which separate green with red one, and then add red one, which will be the next red on the green side, and this one. Those two bits, yeah, and then you are going to cross the inner fishing line to the red one, this, like this. Do this one. We are going to add 2 red to continue with the red color, and make sure it is equal. And then take these 2 bits, cross it with the upper green bead, not green bead, sorry, cross it with the red one, and they use the inner fishing line to cross the second last bit, and make sure to tighten it. I'm out of the red one, but let me add another more. I'm going to add 2 red ones cross with the upper red one, this one. Upper one. And make sure to cross the last bit with the inner, the last red bit, last bit with the inner fishing line, like this. Then next we are going to add one red. Sorry. Next you are going to add one red to close the red one, and we are going to add two red one to close the red color to make it equal. And then cross the fishing line through the white one. And make sure to use the inner fishing line to cross the last red one. And make sure to cross using inner part, not outer part, to make the fishing line come through last bit outer one. Next, we are going to add white one, and then next to add white and black to make the white line and start the black one, like this. And then we are going to add two black one again, and use to cross on the upper black bit. Now we are on the corner, we are going to close with blue CBs, and blue we're going to close with two black plastic beads on the corner, and two black beads we are going to put on the outer fishing line, those two, and then we are going to use the inner one to cross the last black bead to make it a corner. So we start another line like this. So you see, I think we are going tomorrow. This is how it looks. And thanks. The other side we are going to do it offline, and then I'll be back soon.